Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you struggling with slow performance on your databases? Look no further, because in this video, we'll be discussing Oracle Performance Tuning Training and how it can optimize your databases for high performance. We all know the frustration of dealing with sluggish databases, and that's where our training comes in. Our expert instructors will teach you the ins and outs of Oracle Performance Tuning, giving you the tools you need to identify and resolve performance issues in your databases. So, what is the key insight that will take your databases from snail paced to lightning fast? It's all about understanding how the database works and utilizing that knowledge to make strategic optimizations. By analyzing and tuning your database's memory, storage, and SQL queries, you can significantly improve its performance and ultimately save time and resources. First, let's talk about optimizing memory. This is a crucial aspect of database performance, as it directly affects how quickly data can be accessed. Our training will teach you how to properly allocate memory resources and use tools like memory advisors to identify and resolve any memory-related bottlenecks. Next, we'll dive into storage optimization. This involves properly organizing and configuring your database files to ensure efficient data retrieval. Our training covers important topics such as index usage, table partitioning, and data compression, all of which can greatly improve performance. And finally, we'll tackle SQL query optimization. This is where the real magic happens. Our training will teach you how to read execution plans, identify inefficient queries, and rewrite them for better performance. You'll also learn about indexing strategies and how to use hints to fine-tune your queries. With our Oracle Performance Tuning training, you'll not only learn how to optimize your databases for high performance, but also gain a deeper understanding of how they work. This will not only benefit your current databases, but also any future databases you may work with. So if you're tired of dealing with slow databases and want to boost your skills in Oracle Performance Tuning, then our training is the perfect solution. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and thank you for watching. Remember, with Fastlane Tech Training, you'll always be ahead of the curve.